What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about this sweet ass flog bumper that I got on this. So I took this thing to the mountain and I ended up getting high centered. Where I was at, it was probably close to a 90-degree angle, and this is a long car on 32s, so I kind of got stuck. Now I could have dug myself out, but the easiest way to do it was to just get a little bit of a tug and I would have been good. So I hit up the guys at Flog. Check out this sweet steel bumper. It comes winch ready. I did go with a Badlands winch. I'll show you a little bit of the install on the video. I didn't get anything too crazy or in depth, but it is definitely a super nice bumper compared to what's in here. I didn't notice until after we took it apart that the little bar and everything is all just super thin sheet metal and a little bit of plastic to cover the front end. So if you ever do hit anything or get in a situation where you need to push something or you need a winch, you can't. So with this setup, you're ready to go. You know, if you ride solo or if you're in a situation you need a winch, now you have one. So I went with the Badlands, like I was saying. I was gonna go with the Warren, but the Warren winch I would have had to order. The Badlands they had in stock at Harbor Freight. It's a 5,500 pound winch. It works great. It came perfectly set up for a UTV. So here's a little bit of the install on that winch. So the winch itself, I bought it at Harbor Freight. It's a 5,500 pound short barrel, and it comes with everything you need, all the wiring. It came with the switch. It came with the handheld, with the plug. I put the plug over here so it's easy access and it's out of the way. It comes with a big kill switch, the relay, all the wiring came with everything. So I was really impressed for the price. I believe it was like 350 bucks. Comes with a good warranty. You can also buy an extended warranty on it. Now, the main part. Let's see how it works with the whole winch setup and bumper setup. Again, I live in Nevada, not a lot of mountains around here. So what we're gonna do is, my driveway has a nice incline to it. So we are going to hook this up to the truck and see how well it pulls it up. You ready to do that, bud?
Yes.
All right, let's get to it. Alrighty, so we got it set up here on the truck. As you can see, the incline of the driveway, it's pretty heavy. We're just simulating something, you know, see how it'll work. So I have the winch. Again, it's a Badlands 5,500 pounds. And I got this badass shackle. And this, I would say it's like a hook. They call it, I don't know what the hell it's called, but the load on this is 16,000 pounds. So it'll way overdo the winch itself. So what I did was I got the shackle, then I got the shackle connected to the straps that are going to the truck, and then I have this. You always got to have this when you're pulling on a winch in case that does break. This will drop. It's just a safety measure. But this is the brand right here. If you guys want to get that for your razor, it sits, as you can see in the previous scene, that it sits right up against the winch plate to where it doesn't flap all over and cause scratches and sound stupid when you're over there cruising around. So yeah, I got it hooked up to the hitch right there. Again, this is all controlled. We wouldn't really hook it up that way out in the middle of nowhere unless you really had to, but it's just a test. We're not really going to stress anything out, but just to show you how it works. So now we're gonna see if the winch can pull the truck. I believe that truck's around 6,000 pounds. It's a little bit more than the winch is rated for, but it should be able to handle it. So we'll see. Okay, we got my helper over there. Now we got everything hooked up. We got the Badlands winch, the Flog bumper, which is awesome. We got it hooked up to the shackle and the hook and a strap to the truck. We also got the safety bag. That's in case anything breaks. It just drops and it doesn't go flinging into a cab. I'm sure you guys have seen those videos. So this is just a test to see how well it pulls. So let's test it out, see if we can pull this truck. The truck's about I would say 6,000 pounds roughly. I gotta check the door, see if this winch can do it. Alrighty, we got everything hooked up. Now we got my wife in the truck just in case. Got my son in the razor holding the brakes. All right, go ahead and pull it in. Very awesome. All right, let it go. Now go out. Let it go. Alrighty, so there's the setup. As you can see, the freaking winch did awesome. I know the truck was on wheels and it's got a pretty good incline, but it did do it pretty easily. So I'm sure, you know, in real world situations, the winch will do fine. I'm just showing you how it works and what it does. So this is the hookup right here. I got the straps, shackle, and the hook right here that goes to the winch that I keep on the razor at all times. And of course, you gotta have the safety bag. Make sure you guys have that. It might save somebody's life. Now, if you guys ever want a bumper for your Pro R, Turbo R, Pro XP, hit up Flog Industries right there, because these bumpers are the shit. They also make truck bumpers. They make Can-Am bumpers as well. So if you guys have a Can-Am, go hit them up. All right, so keep up on the videos. If you have any questions, let me know. Hit me in the comments.